Hi there, Rima from Eureka Fabrics here with another quick fitting tutorial. You know how you have that shirt or that dress that's like always kind of pulling back in front, like it's choking you uh, and riding up in front? Well, this could be the fix for that. Now, if you're gonna do a full bust adjustment on your pattern, do that first and check it out because that might actually solve your problem right there. But if you do your next muslin after the full bust and it's still like not working for you, if it's still riding up and choking you in front, then this is the fix for that. The problem is that your shoulder seam is too far back on your shoulder. And there's a super easy fix for that. You could measure and decide how much too far back it is, but basically, rule of thumb, it's usually going to be your seam allowance. So what I do is I cut the seam allowance off the front and I put it on the back. Just tape that puppy on there. There it is. That's your fix. Because what that does is that allows the back to curve over your shoulder further so that the front seam is now much further toward the front of your shoulder. That's really going to help with that. You'd say, well, it's the same amount of fabric. I don't know why that works, but it does. It works every time. So you literally cut fabric off the front and put it in back. That's it. That should solve your problem. So go ahead and give this a try the next time your shirt is trying to strangle you. This is a really easy pattern fix, and frankly, I find that most patterns need this, whether your shirt is actively trying to kill you or not. Anyway, I hope this helps, and we will see you again next time.